The question of whether aliens are extraterrestrial or transdimensional beings has sparked debates among ufologists, contactees, and abductees. The prevalent belief is that aliens are from distant worlds, visiting Earth in ancient times to influence human evolution. However, there is limited credible evidence to support this theory. An alternate perspective suggests that aliens could be transdimensional entities existing within alternate dimensions. This theory posits that aliens interpenetrate the multiverse, coexisting with our world but not bound by it. Aleister Crowley, a renowned occultist, emphasized the importance of contacting a holy guardian angel to access higher powers and advance human development. He perceived these entities as truly alien, existing beyond the attributes of humans. Crowley's encounters, including the enigmatic alien entity Lamb, showed similarities to descriptions given by contactees and abductees, raising intriguing connections. Kenneth Grant, a disciple of Crowley, continued his mentor's exploration into alien encounters and developed the concept of ufologics. Grant proposed that alien entities might be largely ethereal or magical beings rather than flesh and blood. However, evidence for both extraterrestrial and transdimensional aliens remains limited, leaving the true nature of these entities uncertain.